In this video we're going to be looking into uh, like how we can slice an image and give it some artistic effects. So for that one we're going to be first of all creating a new layer, or you can say create a new image. I want it to have a white background color, foreground. So for this one you can actually select, before even doing that you can select something like as a this one, or like a white background here. So you can say file and then new. I'm gonna make it 1280 cross 720. Oops, 1280 cross 720. In the advanced options I'm gonna go and say that the foreground color, fill it with the foreground color and say OK, and there we are. Now we need to bring in an image, right? For that one I'm gonna open something as a layer, and that would be this Disney picture. So I'm gonna right click on it and then say scale the layer. I also want it to be like something around 1000. Let's just do that 1000 and this one and scale it. Looking okay. Okay, so we have it as a layer, right? Now what we're gonna be doing is like we need to slice it down. For okay, once we have brought the image in, what we're gonna be doing is like we're gonna be making the duplicates of the image. So for that you will do this, uh, oops, and we're gonna have like total of 3 images so that we can slice them um, in 3 different layers. So there we have the copies of that, so we'll select the top one, and then what we're gonna be doing is like basically actually let's just have another image. Transparent is good, and let's call it a square. So this is the top one. Now what we're gonna be doing is like selecting sorry this one. So let's select this rectangle select tool, and this is basically gonna guide us where to let me before that. Oops, that's good. So yeah, select none. Okay, now we are having this one, and then we're gonna be doing select rectangle select tool, and red is good. So actually just, yeah, red is fine, or we can do the yellow. Okay, so basically we are gonna have our scare for guidance over here, and we're gonna fill it up with yellow color, and we're gonna bring the opacity to about 43 so that we can actually see where we are gonna be slicing them off. So once we have our the top one highlighted, we're gonna do is like basically uh, cut the rest of it. Like from starting from here we're gonna be cutting the rest of it. So for that we're gonna have again our scare select tool, and we can make everything visible here. Okay, so we're gonna select from here, and then we're gonna do this, and then you can hit enter and then delete, or you can just delete it. We're gonna do the very similar thing for the second one. In this case what we're gonna be doing is like, so in this one we want to delete 2 things, one at the top and one at the bottom. So again the select tool, this one, and then delete. So if you look here, it just deleted the top portion, although you can't see it right now, but it has deleted and it can be seen on the right hand side. And then the second one is this one. Okay, and then press delete. So now you must have you can see that this one has deleted the top and the bottom portion. Now we're gonna go to our third one, and over here we are gonna be deleting basically the uppermost portion, like upper two portions. And then if you can if you look to the right, you can see that we are left with only the bottom part. Now one by one we can just disable this one. We can do this one. We can highlight that and click right, and then layer, and then crop to content. So basically what we are saying is like this image is just like this layer. The con is gonna be only this big wherever you see some contents in it. So it's gonna be as big as the contents are. We're gonna do the same thing to the right one. We highlighted the second layer. We went to the layer and then crop to content, and the third one we're gonna be doing the same thing. Highlight it, right click it, layer, and then crop to content. If you see, we are left with the whatever the contents we needed. So in this one we're gonna again highlight, take the right one, sorry, highlight the topmost one, and then basically go to the selection and then move it to the right. Okay, uh, and we're gonna do the same thing for the third one. Select this one. You can bring it a little bit down, and this one a little bit up. Okay, and we can move the middle image, middle sliced image, a little bit to the left. Okay, that would be it. Now you can put we're gonna be putting some text, oops, text to the text over here, and that would be it.